Hey, how are you guys doing? It's Daniel from The Wealthy Idea. I just wanted to make a really quick video and tell you guys something that I'm pretty excited about. So, as we know, slogans like Nike's Just Do It or Geico So Easy, a caveman can do it are extremely popular. And without these slogans, most of these companies wouldn't reach such high levels of popularity. These slogans are what makes the company connect to the individual person and makes them their millions or even billions of dollars for that company. And without them, hundreds of thousands of companies will fail each and every year. That's where we come in. Are you ready to hear something that I believe is absolutely incredible? Did you know companies will pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to make up these simple little slogans? You don't need any experience, no computer skills, and the absolute best thing is you can do this in your home in your spare time. This is extremely exciting to me, especially for those who want to make some extra money on the side. Well, I put in the link below in the description so you can check it out for yourself and see how much money people are making. So just click the link and find out how awesome this system is for yourself. Thank you so much for listening. This is Daniel with The Wealthy Idea. Thank you.